Hi, I'm attorney Andrew Cherin. I represent people who are injured in car accidents. I'm a personal injury lawyer here in Seattle. And today I want to talk to you about insurance cases where there's a car accident and who are you saving money in those situations. So let's say you get in a car accident and you're injured, and you try to tough it out, and you don't want to cause problems, so you don't want to go after the person who caused the car accident because they seem like a nice person. You didn't want to use their insurance, you didn't want to go through your insurance. You just kind of just wanted to do things, paying cash, and just kind of let things go to the wayside. And the effect of that can be very negative towards your case if you have a case going forward, because essentially you're just basically giving away everything that you possibly could have if you sign something in writing. If you don't sign something in writing, maybe there's some things that you could do. But let's talk about like what you're actually saving that person and who you're actually saving money. So if you don't make a claim against a person who rear ends you and causes you damages to your car and to your body for personal injuries, you're not saving that person money. You're saving the insurance company for them money, because every month that person pays the insurance company a certain amount of money to cover these very instances where the insurance company has money to pay for your car being damaged, your personal injury damages such as medical bills, lost wages, pain and suffering, and that's what those policies are for. But somewhere along the line, insurance companies have kind of brainwashed people into thinking, no, you don't want to cause problems for all these people because the person's the one that's going to feel this, and the insurance company wants you to think that's true, that the person's going to be the one paying for all this. Their insurance rate's going to go up. They're going to have to pay for out of pocket for the settlement, and if you sue them by making a claim against them, then they're going to have to pay it all. That's not the case at all. Most people have insurance, and the insurance company will step in and pay for your damage to your car, your medical bills, your lost wages, your pain and suffering, and cover all of that. So this notion that the individual is going to have to pay for this stuff, that's totally wrong, and it's misguided and information sent upon everybody by insurance companies trying to limit the amount of money that they're going to have to pay out because they're a business, they're trying to make money. But this just so happens to be a multi-billion-dollar business that's saving a little bit of money for extra premiums every month. I mean, what are you really saving, and who are you actually saving money for in these situations? You're saving the insurance company money, not the person. And what does that do to their insurance rates? Maybe it goes up a little bit for one car accident, but I don't envision it going up so much that it offsets how much they pay out of pocket to you for being involved in the car accident. I mean, you want to make sure your car's fully fixed, your body's back to normal, and health is the number one concern. If you're worried about this person paying you more money or their insurance going up, I mean, you got your values in the wrong place. You only have one body, so you might as well take care of it and make sure it's fully functional as long as it can be, right? So go get that chiropractic treatment. Use your medical insurance to pay for it while you're waiting for your settlement for the car accident injury case, and hire a lawyer to represent you. So you don't have to worry about any of the paperwork, any of the guilt, the feeling of anything, going against the person personally. Your lawyer will let you know if that person has insurance. If they don't have insurance, it's probably not even good to go after them anyways because they probably don't have any money, but your lawyer can look into that, and it's ultimately your decision whether you want to personally go after anybody. But most likely, 99% of the cases, you're not going personally after anyone. It's going to be against their insurance company. So don't worry too much about that. Your main concern should be to get healed, get back to normal, and prevent like onset of arthritis, any other potential injuries that could happen or get further worse because of not seeking treatment for them, such as degenerative diseases, disc disease, misalignments in your back that can lead to other issues as well, or possibly surgery, or who knows what ramifications could have for not seeking the treatment for your back or neck injuries. It could lead to surgeries in the future, maybe a hip replacement. You never know. So it's best to just kind of hire a lawyer, figure out your rights, go through the insurance companies because they have the money and they will pay, and do it that way instead of hiding behind, just paying out of pocket from the other person. Get what you deserve. If you have any questions, feel free to visit my website, www.lawsharing.com. And I give free consultations for car accident injury cases. My number is 206-850-6716.